So here's how to fix Xbox app slow download speed on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So first what you can do is right click on the start button and then go to settings and search for Defender. Then click on Windows security settings. Click on virus and threat protection. And then go to the virus and threat protection section. And then under virus and threat protection settings, click manage settings and then turn off real-time protection. Now once it's turned off, you can minimize this. Next, we want to go to the settings menu again and then go to Windows Updates and then click on advanced options in here and then choose delivery optimization. Now we want to go to the download options and then change this to be absolute bandwidth limit. And for the upload options as well, we want to click on it and limit as percentage of measured bandwidth. We want to turn it off, make sure it's turned off. Next, we want to right click on the start button and then click installed apps. And in the search bar, we want to type Xbox and click on the three dots next to the Xbox app. Click on advanced options, scroll all the way down and click on the repair button and wait for it to repair the app. And then you will need to click on reset button and then click on reset and wait for it. And now you can close this and then search for the Xbox app and open it again. And that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.